Assalamualaikum. How are you, the students and viewers? I hope all of you are free and safe from COVID-19. I am fine by the grace of Allah. I am really delighted to get a chance to meet you. Actually, it has been long since that I conducted my class. Today, I am here to talk with you on English first papers, that is called English for Today. The students, this class is brought to you by Daud Online School as well as Goripur Shulapur High School. This is Halal Al Mamun, Assistant Teacher, Goripur Shulapur High School, Daud Kumilla. Today, I am going to discuss about a lesson which is important for the students of class 6. So let's start now. Let's go. This is Goripur Shulapur High School. Welcome to all. The students, look at the picture very carefully, because looking the picture you find out which lesson I will discuss about. I hope all of you are very clear about this, which lesson I will discuss. There are some wonders of the present world. What is this? I know the answer will be Taj Mahal. The students, this is Taj Mahal. Today I will discuss with you about wonders of the world 1. Learning outcomes. After completing the lesson, the students will be able to talk about pictures, read and understand text, make questions using the given clue. You will be able to make questions using the given clue. Discuss. There are some vocabulary to be learned. The students, Tom. Tom means grave. Tom means grace. Tom has the similar meanings of the word grave. Emperor. Emperor means king. Emperor has the closest meaning of the word king. That's king and emperor takes the same meaning. Ancient means old. Ancient means old. That means ancient has the closest meaning of the words old. That is the similar. Ancient is old. Artisan. Artisan means artist. Artisan has the similar meaning to words artist. The students has a picture. Can you say what is this? What is this about? Yes. Look. Silent reading. The boy is reading silently. So here is a passage from which you have to answer of some questions. This is silent reading. This passage will be read silently, but as you are the students of class 6, I think all of you are new learners, so I would like to read this passage with meaning so that all of you can clearly understand the meaning of the passage, so that you will be able to find out the answer which will be questions. Okay, the students, now I will read this passage for you with meaning. So whenever I read the passage, all of you should listen to this passage silently and attentively. The Taj Mahal is also known as the Taj. Taj Mahal তাজ হিসেবেও পরিচিত। It is a white marble tomb located in Agra, India. এটা একটা সাদা পাথরের কবর যাহা ইন্ডিয়ার আগ্রাতে অবস্থিত। Do you know the story behind the Taj Mahal? তোমরা কি জানো তাজমহলের পেছনের কাহিনী? The Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan loved his wife Mumtaz Mahal more than his life. শাহজাহান তার স্ত্রী মমতাজকে তার জীবনের চেয়ে বেশি ভালোবাসতেন। মমতাজ ডাইড অ্যাট অ্যান আর্লি এজ। মমতাজ খুব অল্প বয়সে মারা গিয়েছিলেন। শাহজাহান ওয়াজ ভেরি শকড অ্যাট হার ডেথ। শাহজাহান তার মৃত্যুতে অনেক কষ্ট পেয়েছিলেন। সো হি বিল্ড দ্য তাজমহল অ্যাজ এ টোকেন অফ লাভ ফর হিজ ওয়াইফ। এই জন্য সবাই শাহজাহান তার স্ত্রীর প্রতি তার ভালোবাসার নিদর্শন স্বরূপ তাজমহলটি তৈরি করেছিলেন। ইট ইজ প্লেস হোয়ার মমতাজ ইজ স্লিপিং ফরএভার। এটা সেই জায়গা যেখানে মমতাজ চিরশান্তিতে শায়িত আছেন। দ্য তাজ হ্যাজ এন এরিয়া অফ অ্যাবাউট 1003 acres or 405 hectares. তাজমহল এরিয়াটা হচ্ছে 1003 একর অথবা 405 হেক্টরস। The Taj Mahal is the finest example of Mughal architecture. তাজমহল হচ্ছে মুঘল স্থাপত্যের সবচেয়ে চমৎকার নিদর্শন। It combines the art of পারস্য, তুর্কি and India. এটা পারস্য, তুর্কি এবং ইন্ডিয়ান সংস্কৃতিকে আর্টকে কম্বাইন মিশ্রিত করেছে। It took 21 years and thousands of artisans and craftsmen to complete the Taj Mahal. তাজমহলের কাজ সম্পন্ন করতে হাজার হাজার শ্রমিকের 21 বছর সময় লেগেছিল। The Taj is universally admired. তাজমহল সারা পৃথিবীতে প্রশংসিত as one of the wonders of the world. পৃথিবীর একটা বিশ্ব হিসেবে। The students, I hope all of you have clearly understood the meaning of the passage, and I also expect that all of you will be able to give answer whatever I ask you. So now you'd like to go to next. The students, here is a picture. Do you know who is he? He is Shah Jahan, and the next picture is of Mumtaz Mahal. It was built as a token of love by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan for his beloved wife Mumtaz. Do you know what does it means? It means Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal was built as a token of love by the Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan for his beloved wife Mumtaz. It is a white marble tomb located in Agra, India. If I ask you a question, where is it located? Then you can write the answer in this way. It is a white marble tomb located in Agra in India. Those pictures are. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal as a token of love. If I ask you, why did Shah Jahan build the Taj Mahal? You can answer in this way. Shah Jahan built the Taj Mahal as a token of love. The students, now it is time to check your brain. Actually, I would like to check what you have learned from this passage which I have explained before you. So now I will give you some question to be answered. Choose the best answer. It will carry 5 marks for you. The Taj Mahal was built as a symbol of death, love, white marble, wonder. There are 4 alternative answers. You can select one as your best answer. The Taj Mahal is made of. That means by what the Taj Mahal is made? Stones, rocks, white marble, black marble. The Taj Mahal is situated in India, Turkey, Parasha, or Paris. You can select one as your best answer. The students and viewers, be attentive. The Taj Mahal was built as dash of his wife, as it mausoleum, building, spectacular building, impermanent building. It took more than dash decades to build the Taj. Here is an information to be written down in your script. That's one decades means 10 years. So as it took more than 21 years, that means it took 20 decades. It took 20 years. The students, I hope all of you have already written the answer in your script. Now it's time to match your answer with me. The answer of the following questions are here. The answer of first question is love. For second is white marble. Third is India. 4 is mausoleum, and 5 is 2. The students, I expect that all of you have done well. Now it's time to give some group works. So let's go to the next slides. The works which are given to you to do in a group, that's called group work. There are 5 questions for you to be answered. What is the Taj Mahal? Actually, we have already got the idea from the passage which I have explained before you in last slides. What is the Taj Mahal? Where is the Taj Mahal located? Who was Shah Jahan and Mumtaz? Why did Shah Jahan build the Taj Mahal? How many years and artisans and craftsmen did it take to complete the Taj Mahal? The students, I am giving you 5 minutes to think and write your answer in the scripts. As it is group work, you can discuss one another about the answer of this question. So I am giving you time. After a few minutes I will give the solution, then you can match your answer with me. The students, now I am giving the answer and you can match your answer with me. Okay, let's move to the next slide. The answer of the first question is the Taj Mahal is a white marble tomb. The second, the Taj Mahal is located in Agra, India. Answer of the question number 3, Shah Jahan was the Emperor of India and Mumtaz was his beloved wife. Number 4, Shah Jahan built his token of love for his wife. Answer of the question number 5, it took thousands of artisans and craftsmen to complete the Taj Mahal. The students, It is clear that all of you have completely understood the passage which I have discussed before you, and I hope you are so attentive to our lectures. I will advise you to watch all the classes which we upload in our channels, Daud Kand Online School. It's actually on YouTube. It's actually is a YouTube channel. If you search writing Daud Kand Online School in search bar of YouTube, then you will find all the classes which we have uploaded for you. My dear students, now here is a homework for you to be practiced at home. Write a paragraph in your own words about the Taj Mahal. I expect that all of you will be able to write a paragraph about the Taj Mahal smartly. Now I would like to give you some advice. Try to maintain the rules of health and hygiene. Always try to stay at home and try to maintain social distance. I also would like to advise you to watch all the classes which we have already uploaded in our YouTube channel called Daud Kand Online School. If you watch all the classes of Daud Kand Online School, I hope all of you will be more benefited, which will be more beneficial for you. Now, I am to say goodbye. Thank you all. Allah Hafiz.